All right, so now we're downloading the Shelly app, and it looks like that's the one. Now to sign in.
So you put your email, your password, and your time zone in. And then you're going to agree to the terms. And we do not want marketing. So now we're registering our account. Once the account is registered, you have to go into your email and verify once you sign back in.
So we created the account, now we're signing into the account we just created.
So now we're going to save our profile, that, and then we're going to go to add room, and we're going to do TC1 as our device. So now once we've created a room, we're going to click into it, and now we're going to hit add device, and then we're going to add via Bluetooth. We have to power our TC1 on. So now the TC1 we know is on because the green light on the stack light's on, but the module will not turn on until we set up our device. So we're going to add via Bluetooth. We hit next, and we can see our devices showing up here.
So at this point it should be illuminated inside
Yeah,
here.
that should be blinking on the inside.
So blinking inside, so it's waiting to be set up. So, okay.
So we have our new device. We're gonna hit next. Sign into our Wi-Fi.
So this is the company Wi-Fi now. And this will keep the time updated all the time, keep it accurate. It will keep a time by itself, as most devices do, but it requires an internal clock, which you don't want to count on. Alright, so light has stopped blinking on the module, and it looks as it's successfully added the device.
So we're gonna name our device TC1 because that's what we're controlling. And we can do, and we're gonna, so that we've named our device, and now we're choosing what room that we want to put it in, and we want to control that. So we're gonna put it in TC1. So now we have our module set up. If we hit the power button, it will turn on our module.
Closer together. Alright.
So now to go and make the schedule, we're going to click on our device. We're going to come down to the schedule. We're going to add the schedule. So we're going to stay simple, keep it during weekdays. Right now we want to set our time, we'll say for...
So what we're proposing to do now is set two points, basically two actions in the schedule. One is an on time, and then the other will be an off time. So there's also a way to do it, well, we'll explore that a little later. We'll get to that later, where you can just have one action that keeps the device on for a certain number of seconds.
So now we have our time.
That's the on time.
And now we're going to add our action. So we want our control output to turn on. So that will be our action. We're going to hit save. And we're going to hit next. And this is just an overview of everything we put in. We're going to save it.
So now we have one action on the screen to turn on only. So
40. Hit next. We want we're adding another action, so we want to control the action to turn off, have it turn off. Hit save. Next. Get another overview of your action. Now it's going to shut off at 12:40.
and the time
Right now it's 12:39.
12:40, and it goes off. A single action to turn the device on and off.
Okay, so we're going to add a schedule. We'll do the simple. Hit next. Choose your time.
Which is time of day.
Do 12:44. And then we're going to add our action that is going to happen at that time. So we want our control output to turn on, and then we want it to toggle after, say, 30 seconds. This time is in seconds, so if you want to do hours, you have to do the math. So we'll do 30 seconds, and then we're going to click save. And we're going to hit next. It gives you the overview, and then we're going to hit save.
All right, and there's the third action. And disable the first two just for this example. So only this third action will be enabled, which is to toggle it on for some number of seconds at what time does it say? 12:44, and it's now getting 12:43. So at 12:44, we should see it come on for only 30 seconds. And there it is. So that's the programming of the TC1 using the timer module.